Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today we will learn how to create the basic structure of lips. We will also learn the three views of lips, that is front, side and three-quarter. So let's get started. First, we will learn how to draw lips from front. For this, draw a horizontal curve for the middle line. Draw a vertical line at the center. Mark the ends with two dots. Create two ovals as I am showing. Draw a circle at the middle of the two ovals. With the help of these guidelines, complete the lips. This is the curved plane for the mouth. Draw lips as I am doing. This is the complete drawing of the lips from the front. Now we will learn to draw lips from the side. This is the plane for the lips. Draw one oval below the center line and one circle above it as I am doing. I have drawn three types of lips from side. First, the upper and lower lips are of same length. It is also known as normal bite. The second one is overbite, where upper lip is projected forward in comparison to the lower lip. The third type of lip is underbite, where the lower lip is projected forward in comparison to the upper lip. This is the complete picture of the lips in side view. Now we are going to learn lips in 3/4 view. First, draw the plane for the mouth. Draw one horizontal line and one vertical line. Draw the ends for the lips. Here, one end is closer to the center and other is far. Draw the ovals and a circle as I am doing and complete the lips. This is the complete drawing of the lips at 3/4 view. Please follow the steps carefully and you will draw lips very easily. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.